Hey, what's up, guys? This is Delwyn. This is Delwyn.
And you have entered the review zone. What did I say?
Let's get started.
Okay, let's get started.
Alright, so today we will be reviewing microphones for the Sony A6000.
Yep.
Here's our Sony A6000. You go ahead and hold that. You play with it, show the camera, flip it around a little bit. It's the Sony A6000 if you guys aren't familiar with it. It's a mirrorless DSLR brought to you guys by Sony. Takes pictures at 24 megapixels. So the mic we're going to be reviewing today is going to be the Sony handycam CyberShot zoom microphone, which is going to be the ECM-GZ 1M. So here's the microphone right here. There's another available option for this camera, which is going to be the ECM-XYST 1M, which is this dual microphone setup, which I didn't want because I felt it was too bulky for what I use it for, which is vlogging. So we purchased this microphone since this Sony doesn't have the options to use the Rode video mic. So I've had my Sony for a while now and I love it, but again, it's not compatible with any other microphone other than Sony's because it goes straight on the hot shoe. So we're just doing a simple unboxing of this microphone to show you guys what comes in the package. I purchased this off of Amazon.com, and let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see what we got here. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and let Delwyn go ahead and cut it right here. So cut it on these lines. You're gonna just take it out of the packaging. We're gonna pop it open. All right, we're gonna guess. We'll go ahead and open it. This thing is a tough cookie. All right,
That's
here we
what
go.
I was gonna do, but I didn't want to cut it.
You didn't want to cut it?
No, I just didn't want to ruin it.
Oh, that's fine. And won't bother me too much. Alright, here's some of the contents that are in the package. So first off, we have a, looks like a little manual.
Instructions?
Which, yeah, it's not really instructions, it just shows the model number of the camera, which is right here.
Okay.
So go ahead and second is, okay.
This is the instruction pamphlet. Mm-hmm.
Yes, so that's going to be the instructions. If you take a look on it, what does it show? This is the first time I'm actually opening this in front of you. I've never owned one myself.
The mic?
Yeah, so it shows the microphone, and you're going to open that up, help me out. Go ahead and hold that in. I'll grab this in.
This is huge, guys.
It is pretty huge. Okay, so this shows how to set the mic up on the hot shoe right here.
Yep.
Alright, we won't get into that just yet. Again, this is a quick unboxing for you, those of you who were curious and wanted to buy this microphone. Here we go, there's more instructions again. I guess different languages. Yeah, there's 4 different pamphlets in here.
That's Chinese.
Which is, yes, it's all different languages right here. So it comes with, it's not set to one pamphlet to where it changes the language. It's all separate.
Oh, this is English right here.
Yeah, this is the English one. Oh, this is cool. What's that?
Oh, it's to hold this stuff if you want to take it off.
Yeah, exactly. A little pouch, keep everything nice and clean.
And it's soft inside. You want to feel that?
It's nice and soft. You are correct about that. That does feel good. Alright, here is the microphone right here.
I wish you guys could feel this. It's so soft.
Is it really that soft? Alright, cool. You see this microphone? You take a look at it? See what it's all about?
Mm-hmm.
And I'll grab the rest of the stuff out of the package. Oh, it comes with this thing. We don't know what that is yet. Yeah, it does look like a gun.
Yeah.
So, you know what this is called?
What?
It's called a shotgun mic. Gun.
Ooh.
Gun style. Never point a gun at somebody unless it's a mic, right?
Yep, and don't point it at the camera. What did you just do?
We're just pointing at the camera. Okay, so here is the gun microphone, and you see right here, look, gun zoom.
And it says gun right here.
Exactly. Gun microphone. Okay, so perfect. Gun microphone. It comes with a little cover right here, so you don't mess the prongs up.
We don't know what this is yet, so
here's a little cover, and that way you don't mess these prongs up right here. So when you take the microphone out, you'll simply slide this cover back on, which is a cool feature. Keeps the camera safe. Beyond that, we have this. I don't know exactly what it is used for, but it looks like it goes just like that, and it looks like it stops the this from scrolling. So we'll go over that later. Another thing it comes with is a sock for the microphone. That's called a sock.
sock.
Yeah. And this,
The inside looks good.
it slips over like this. Foam sock. And then you pull the back over, and there you have it. Now your mic has a sock on it.
Looks like a shotgun pistol.
It's pretty simple controls on here. It has zoom, off, and gun mode. Again, we're just simply showing you the unboxing of it. So we'll do a review on this later. Let me go ahead and hook it up to the Sony. Now we have it attached to the Sony and just simply slides right in. Actually, I'm gonna turn this on to see if the camera does something. So far as like recognizing the mic or something like that. So we'll go ahead. The camera's on right now, and it's in there. It didn't say anything that it recognized the mic or anything like that, but this is what it looks like.
And make sure you subscribe to this video.
Alright, one other thing that we purchased while we were shopping on Amazon
Is the mic.
You know what this is used for?
It's
Read
like
it.
furry.
Uh-huh.
Windscreen.
Go ahead, read.
Windscreen.
Yep, so it's a furry windscreen. I don't know if this could fit on that, but usually
Because
that
we have one on
that works, but for safety and just to probably get some cleaner audio, go ahead and slide that out, and we would go ahead and place this in here, and again slide it over, and now we have a furry windscreen on the camera. So it's a Sony A6000 with a couple add-on features that we purchased for the camera.
What's that one called then?
We are using a Canon to record this. So we're using a Canon Rebel on a tripod with a Rode video mic to record this video.
So furry thing like that? So furry thing like that, but I want to know what the furry thing's called.
Oh, it's the same exact thing. It's just a different style. So yeah, and we have one of these on the Canons as well that we're recording this video.
Yep.
So from there, this is what you guys get. This slides off right there. There's no type of lock or anything besides twisting this down once it's set on, but that's how that works. This is what we got right here, and I believe the microphone came out to about $72, and it came with this, a carrying case, and this was additional 20 bucks off of Amazon. So that's our unboxing for today of the Sony ECM-GZ 1M microphone. Hopefully you guys like this unboxing. Again, we just did this simply for the people who were curious about the mic and who kind of want to see it in detail. And here's a few shots of it for you guys to look at.
Now this looks like a sheep because I found that.
Yeah.
I saw it.
So what should they do now?
Oh, make sure you get your new merch.
Oh yeah, he wants to get the merch out. Diverse word research.
Color
Diverse
red.
word research.
Come in red,
And what
blue,
else?
and purple.
And they
And subscribe. And make sure to comment down below in this video. What's your favorite thing about this?
Oh, nice. What's your favorite thing about it? And subscribe?
Yep.
Okay, cool. So, you heard the little man. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.
Peace.